Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Subaru Impreza, and we're going to go over how you replace the remainder of the lights. So we have our high beam, low beam, turn indicator, side marker light, and a daytime runner. So the high beam, low beam, very easy to do. All you got to do is pop these two little pins and then be able to pull out this air induction tube. Now, with that removed, we also, to get better access, or access enough where we can replace these three lights without taking the whole headlight assembly off, unless you want to do it that way, which you can. The bumper comes off very easy. But we can just remove the air box itself and get that up out of the way, and then we get the space we need to be able to undo these other three lights. Alright, so we're going to remove the air box to be able to gain access to replace the other three lights in our front headlight system. So we want to unconnect this connector to our mass airflow sensor. And we just need to undo this. That's a size 8 for that clamp. Then we can back that off. Undo this clip. I mean, you should have two clips. We only have one. And then you can pull this portion of your airbox element out. Then the filter. And with that out, we now have access to the bolt that's back here holding on there. And we have a number 10 bolt right there that we need to remove. Okay, the bolt down there, the nut on this one, and now be able to just pull and remove that air box and set that aside. And now we have easy access to reach up in here to be able to get those lights to be able to replace them. Okay, so with the air box removed, we now have full access to be able to take our hand and reach up in here to be able to replace these lights. You're going to see the lights back in here, and now we twist and remove this one, and this one is the side marker light, and be able to remove that and pull that bulb out, and then to be able to remove that from the socket there. And the side marker light is a 168 light bulb is what you would get to put back in there. And so go through the reverse process, and to be able to just press that in there. Then we can take this up. We have different size tabs on here, so it will have only one direction to go in. Insert it into the hole there. Get the right tabs to line up. And then we twist that to lock it into place. Now if you reach your hand, go a little bit further down. Can't really catch this foot on the where it's at. It's straight in here, and that is, so straight down here, that is where our turn indicator bulb is. Twist that out, pull this bulb out, and be able to get a new bulb to replace that one with. This bulb here is a WY21W, so you'd get a new one of those bulbs, and especially in the natural amber color for your turn indicator. Take it and just line it up and press it in, and then reach our hand back in here to find the hole there, and then okay. Now the last one that's up in here would be your light bulb for your daytime runner. And so that one's going to be further up here to the top. We had our turn side marker, and then we have our daytime runner is up at the very top. So turn that quarter turn, and then be able to pull that out. Pull the bulb out of here, and we get a new bulb put in there. It's a W5W or a 168. So we take our new 5W5W, or sorry, we take our new W5W bulb or 168, and then be able to just press that in there, lock it into place, and then being able to find the hole that this goes in, line it up, quarter turn to the right to lock it into place. And that would be the replacement of your bulbs for your headlight assembly on your Subaru Impreza, being the turn indicator, the daytime runner, and the side marker light. And that's done with being able to remove your air box, and then that way you get the access to be able to reach up in here and undo them. So when you're done with that, make sure you put your air box back in and connect everything that you may have had to undo. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.